Understanding Proposal Review, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, proposal review. This is a common phrase in business and academic contexts, and understanding it can really help in professional environments. So, let's dive in and learn about it together. Proposal is a noun that refers to a plan or suggestion, especially a formal or written one, put forward for consideration or discussion by others. A proposal can be about anything: a business project, a research plan, or even a marriage proposal. Review, in this context, is a noun that means a formal assessment or examination of something with the possibility or intention of instituting change if necessary. When we talk about reviewing something, it often involves evaluating, analyzing, or scrutinizing it. So, when we combine these two words, proposal review refers to the process of examining a proposal carefully to make a decision about it or to suggest changes. In a business setting, a proposal review might involve a team discussing a new project plan, evaluating its feasibility, costs, and benefits. In an academic setting, it might refer to the process of assessing a research proposal to decide whether it should receive approval or funding. Remember, the key elements in a proposal review are assessment, discussion, and decision-making. 1. The committee will conduct a proposal review next week to decide on the funding allocations. 2. Our manager requested a thorough proposal review before the project's commencement. 3. During the proposal review meeting, several important changes were suggested. I hope this video clarifies what proposal review means and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, understanding such phrases can significantly enhance your professional English skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.